Hi everyone, I'm Maya from English Mitra, your learning companion. Today, we're going to play a quick grammar quiz on Subject-Verb Agreement. Let's test your English and see how many you get right. You'll face 10 questions. Each one tests your understanding of how subjects and verbs must agree. Choose the correct option before the timer ends. And don't forget to comment your final score. Every sentence needs its subject and verb to match. Singular subjects take singular verbs and plural subjects take plural verbs. Sounds simple? Let's see if you can score 10 out of 10. Question 1. My older sister, blank, a large collection of vintage postage stamps. Choose the correct verb. Question 2. Vintage postage stamps, blank, interesting documents of how people lived in the past. Choose the correct verb. Question 3. Stamp collecting, blank, a rare hobby nowadays. Choose the correct verb. Here are your answers. Question 1. Has. The singular subject sister is paired with the singular verb has. Question 2. Are. The plural subject stamps takes the plural verb are. Question 3 is. Stamp collecting is treated as a singular idea. So is the correct verb. How many did you get right? Now let's move to part 2. Prepositional phrases. Remember, the subject decides the verb, not the words that come after it. Sometimes we make the mistake of matching the verb with the wrong word, not the subject. Always ignore the prepositional phrase that comes after the subject. Let's look at a few examples and choose the correct verb for each one. Question 4. Mammals that live in the ocean, blank, dolphins, whales, and sea otters. Question 5. The number of birds in the Amazon rainforest, blank, to be around 4,000. Question 6. The ecosystem of savannas, blank, many threats caused by human activity. Let's check our answers. Question 4. Include. Disregard the phrase that live in the ocean, so you're left with the plural subject mammals. And that's why we say mammals include. Question 5 is estimated. The real subject is number, which is singular. Question 6, faces. The subject ecosystem is also singular. Great work so far. Now let's move to the final round. Now let's move to the final part, linking verbs. They can be a little tricky, so stay focused. When you have a sentence with a linking verb, make sure the verb agrees with the subject, not with the words that come after it. The words that rename the subject are called the predicate nominative. For example, Jane's grades are a source of disappointment. The verb are agrees with grades, not with source. Now let's test your understanding of this rule. In the next 4 sentences, choose the verb that fits correctly. Question 7. The total cost of the party, blank, hundreds of dollars more than the original budget. Choose the correct verb. Question 8. The laughter and noise of the guests, blank, a testament to the success of the party. Choose the correct verb. Question 9. The joy of my mom's life. Blank. Her grandchildren who were there at the party. Choose the correct verb. Question 10. The yellow roses in the vase. Blank. A gift to my mom. Choose the correct verb. Here are your final answers. Question 7 was. The subject cost is singular, so it takes the verb was. Question 8 were. The verb agrees with the subject, the laughter and noise of the guests, not the predicate nominative testament. Question 9 is. The subject joy is singular, so it pairs with is. Question 10 are. The plural subject roses takes the plural verb are. Great job completing this round. You did amazing. Fantastic work, everyone. You've just completed today's English Mitra grammar quiz on Subject-Verb Agreement. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. I'd love to know. Don't forget to subscribe to English Mitra for more fun quizzes and short English lessons every week. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep shining with English Mitra.